Ateteni ndiri kufara baba. Mwana wezvandiitira nhasi. Vanini navangu. Unganidzawo vanhu kudai tete.
Tinotenda Mwari.
Ngazvikudzwe shuwa.
Nguva inoda kungomirirwa.
Aiwa, tinotenda chaizvo.
Mwari vakanaka. Tinotenda zvanzi. Pamusoro yedu. Vainzi vedu vasvika. Vasvika. Vainzi vedu.
Hello. Alpha. You don't get. Alpha, baby.
Baba.
Hello. Alpha, are you good? I can see that you are good with this smiling of yours. Baby, are you good? Okay, I can see. Why do you keep on clapping? What's going on there?
He is our local list.
Huh?
He is our local list.
Okay.
So they need 5 cows, then 5,000 USD. So can you start from there?
No, I don't like to insult people or to complain too much. I brought something that I know where I come from. This is palm wine. That's all. That's the only thing that I brought. I brought you palm wine. I guess you'll be happy, especially you, Mr. White. Yes, that's palm wine. That's all. Yes. So now, can I have my baby? Baby, can we go home? Because I can't wait to, knock you. Baby, can we go now? Why are you not smiling, Mama?
What? Why?
Any palm wine.
Make you drink now. I don't want to drink for wine. Drink for wine.
Cash.
If you want to cash, you will eat those or no run of Nigeria.
The palm wine. You like it, Abby? I can see you like it. You can take it in 1 month. Yeah, don't be too much,
Nigeria.
Can somebody bring food so they can start chopping and celebrate the, Do you have a maid? Bros, go and bring me food there. Let's go. Huh? You don't want to? You don't have manners with your in-law. It's me that is making your sister. You don't know that. Just go and... Baby, just say me.
Are you sure kuti tingagarire zvakadai?
Palm wine. Do young boy and I.
Ndototi ndarorerwa.
No, do we have any problem here?
Ndototi ndarorerwa here.
Why is he shouting like?
You don't like palm wine.
What's this? Why? And me?
No, I don't want trouble. No, let me go. Okay, you can stay with your daughter. Okay, I'm just going. Let me take my clothes. You want to?